Hi people. Today we're going to be talking about checkmating with a king and queen. Some of you may not know how to checkmate with a king and queen because you're just starting your chess career. Or maybe you don't play chess and are here for whatever reason. So first off, you need to push the enemy king towards the edge. And the best way to do that is by using your queen. We can force the enemy king to the edge of the board by making a sort of cage around the enemy king. You move your queen close enough to the enemy king where they can't take. So they have to move. Like you see here, there is a little box along with the diagonal in the middle. Once they back up, you can move your queen a bit closer. And closer. Until they're all the way to the edge. But if they don't back up and instead go to the side, you can still follow them bit by bit. They're eventually going to move back towards the edge you want them to go to, and from there it all works the same. Now from here you can start forcing the enemy king towards a corner. You just get closer and closer like you did when pushing them towards the edge. You keep doing that until they only have 2 squares left to move around in. If you get any closer, it'll be a draw because their king won't have anywhere to move. Now you can push up your king until both kings are 1 rank apart or 1 square apart. Now you can put your queen in front of your king to deliver checkmate. Or put it here where it's also checkmate. Now back to this position. If they're on a square where they can get closer to you and decide to get close, you can just use that move to push up your king towards them, and once they back up, everything else is the same as the other position. You move your queen closer and closer until they only have 2 squares left. You move up your king until there is 1 rank apart between the kings and just put your queen in between them. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped in some way. I'll go over checkmating with a king and rook later on. Probably after the next video. Still not sure. But thanks for watching.